IBC ton barrel filling machine is a device used to fill ton barrels, also called large barrels or large barrels. Ton barrels usually refer to large containers with a capacity of tens to hundreds of liters, which are often used to store and transport liquids or bulk materials, such as chemicals, lubricants, coatings, food ingredients, etc. The main function of a ton barrel filling machine is to extract liquids or bulk materials from storage containers or tanks and transport them to ton barrels through pipelines. These filling machines usually have the following features and functions. 1. Filling accuracy control. Ton barrel filling machines are usually equipped with precise metering systems or weighing sensors, which can accurately control the filling volume and ensure that the amount of material in each ton barrel meets the preset requirements. 2. Automated operation. Some ton barrel filling machines are equipped with automatic control systems, which can realize automated filling processes, improve production efficiency, and reduce labor costs. 3. Safety assurance.